In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the cancellation without missing anything important. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. On the homepage, look to the top right and click the login button. Sign in and select the Shopify account or store you want to manage. Once you're in, you should land on your Shopify dashboard, which is the main admin area for your store. From the dashboard, look down to the lower left and click Settings. This opens a page with several sections on the left-hand side. In that left panel, click on Plan. This is where Shopify shows your current plan details, billing information, and any trial status if you're still within a trial period. Take a moment to read what's displayed so you understand the timing of billing and what happens when a plan is cancelled. It's helpful to be clear on whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of the current billing cycle. Next, find your current plan. Right next to it, click Cancel Plan. If you're still in a trial, it will appear as Cancel Trial. A new screen will open with options. Review the options carefully. Shopify may highlight alternatives, but if you're certain you want to proceed, continue with the cancellation. Click Cancel Plan to move forward. You'll see a confirmation section with important notes about what cancelling means for your store. Check the box that says I've reviewed the information above to confirm you've read it. Then click Continue. You'll be asked to select a reason for cancelling. Choose the reason that best matches your situation. This helps Shopify understand your feedback and improves their service. After selecting a reason, click Continue again. To finalize, click Cancel Plan one more time. This is the final confirmation that completes the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating the plan has been cancelled. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation receipt or follow-up message. Depending on your billing cycle and region, charges typically stop once the cancellation takes effect, and store access may change based on Shopify's policies. That's all there is to it. To recap, you went to the Shopify website, logged in, opened your dashboard, went to Settings, selected Plan, clicked Cancel Plan or Cancel Trial, reviewed the options, confirmed by checking the box, chose a reason, continued, and finalized by clicking Cancel Plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.